Today we are going to be creating our name in graffiti, and I have this website linked for you. And when you open it, this should be the page that you get, and you're going to scroll down a little bit and it says choose your style. So there are 9 different styles of graffiti for you to choose from. Once you have decided on a style, you are going to hit the load button underneath it. That will open up a new page for you. And the new page should look something like this. You're going to scroll down a little bit and you will get a white box that says enter your text here. This is where you will enter your name. You can only type 8 characters, so if you have a long name, you're going to need to shorten it up to some kind of a nickname. And you can adjust the position of these letters. So I can just take my cursor and I can move them, or I can use the modify letter number down here and I can arrow to the letters and I can change the height so I can make them taller or shorter. I can change the width, so making them skinnier or wider, or changing the size. So that would change my case so it's all bigger, both taller and wider there. I can change the rotation of it, so the angle, and I can change the position, so move it up, down, or over. And I can do this for each one of my numbers. So now I'm going to modify letter number 2, which is my A. So I just kind of want to change the position of that so that it's not covering up so much of my K there. And then I'm just going to move all of my other letters over a little bit here. So I'm going to move my T over. And my I as well. And then my E, just so I can see those a little bit better. Okay, so that's what all of those buttons there are for. Over here on the right hand side is where you would change the coloring of your letters. So you can hit color all letters, and that's going to do all of your letters at one time. So I want the filling of all of my letters to be the same, so I'm going to click filling, and then I'm going to adjust using these sliders to find the color that I would like. And I just want to do blue, and I want to do a bright blue. So that's what I'm going to do there. Okay, if I didn't want and I wanted to play around a little bit more with the colors, I can do that using the sliders here to change up my colors. But I like that blue. Okay, I'm also going to change the sides. So now I'm going to switch my color and it automatically changed it to that blue. But now if I adjust my slider a little bit, let's say maybe I want like a yellow. Okay, I like that. So I'm going to change that there. And then I'm going to modify my blocks, but I don't want to do that to all of my letters. I'm going to uncheck that, and I'm just going to modify the block letters for my first one, and I'm going to do that in a kind of dark green. And then I'm going to change it. I'm going to do my second letter here, and I'm going to lighten that up so they gradually each get a little bit lighter. So I can change things on individual letters by just adjusting the modify letter number and not having that color all letters selected. Okay, there we go. I like the way that this looks. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with my position. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a screenshot of this. So on your Chromebooks, in order to take a screenshot, you are going to hit that Control-Shift-Switch window, and that will let you screenshot just one area. So you're going to hit Control-Shift-Switch window. Okay, so find all of those, and that will let you screen select just one area. So I'm just going to screen select my name. Then you're going to go back over to your slideshow. Oh, snap. You're going to go back over to your slideshow, and you're just going to paste it right in on your name graffiti slide. Okay, and that is all you need to do for your name graffiti here.